Hi, my name is Linton Crockford-Moore and this is my how-to guide upon how to pack the ideal suitcase for your European business trip. As an extensive traveller, it's always important for me to pack the perfect suitcase. I like to arrive into a country and to ensure that everything is perfectly organised and in tip-top condition. When I travel, it's absolutely essential that all my items neatly are organised inside my suitcases, and for that reason I use these organisers. These organisers you can get anywhere, you can get them from your local stores, but I'll mention below where I got mine from. Well, first of all, I have these cushioned pads. These are really ideal for my electronics. I have the large one here that goes into my suitcase, and this smaller one for my smaller electronics that will tend to go into my carry-on. Ideal for all cable management. This is my toiletry bag. It's a waterproof toiletry bag. This one here is a long container, superb for ties and also for socks. These are my must-haves. These are my cube organisers. We'll see those in a moment. There's three sizes of those: large, medium and small. The large I use for trousers, the medium I use for shirts and jumpers, and the small I use for my socks and underwear. This is my suit carrier. I use this for my jackets and my blazers and my suits. These are fantastic, these containers. You can put anything inside of those. I use those for my sunglasses. I can throw those into my suitcase and I know my sunglasses will be safe. And I have always take a transparent toiletry bag, and not forgetting the small earpods for when you're actually on a night flight. And for those extra watches, this cushioned watch carrier. So those are the essential items that I use to organise, and I'll show you now how to use them. When I take a trip to Paris, I always take these essential items with me. These are my must-have staple items that I always have in my suitcase for that 4-day trip in Europe. I have my casual shirts, my formal shirts, 2 belts, one in a brown and also a blue, a couple of pairs of socks, an extra watch, 2 pairs of trousers made with khaki and also a blue twill, a tie, my electronics, a sweater to keep me warm during those Parisian nights, 2 pairs of shoes, and of course my toiletries. Now we've chosen the items we're going to take on that business trip, it's now time to prepare them and put them inside their organisers. This is one of the organisers I showed you earlier. This is the medium-sized organiser. It's perfect for the casual shirts and also the formal shirts and also my sweaters. When you're going to prepare your items to put into here, make sure they're perfectly folded. So as you can see, these are my formal shirts and they're very neatly tidied, folded. They go into there. These organisers are great because they have these mesh tops that when you close them all up, you can actually see what's inside of them. And when they go inside the suitcase and you arrive at your destination, you open it up and you can see clearly where's what and how to access it. The medium-sized organiser, as I say, is good for sweaters and shirts and casual shirts. The larger size are good for the trousers, and the small ones are really perfectly ideal for socks, belts and also your undergarments. Okay, so all our items are now folded neatly and they've all been placed inside their organisers. I'll take you through those. But first of all, I've got my formal shirts. There's 3 formal shirts here for my business meetings and also my evening meal. I'll just close those up. I have my 3 casual shirts. I have my belts. I have my socks. I have my ties. I have my trousers. Here are my undergarments. I have my laundry bag for when I come home, my dirty laundry. I have my electronics. I have my watch inside of its case, and I also have my shoes. And I like to have my shoes in shoe trees so they're nicely protected, and I put those inside of the dust bag just like that. They go like that and they just close up nice and neat and tidy. And then I have my toiletries. I have my regular toiletries, and here I have my shampoos, conditioners and toners there. All those are ready now and ready to go and be put inside of my suitcase. Right, so now our suitcase is fully packed with all of our organisers and compartments. On this side, we've got our formal shirts, I've got my casual shirts, I've got my undergarments, my socks, my ties and my belts, and under here I have all of my trousers. They all neatly packed together, very organised and tidy. That now zips up And on this side, I always put on this side here my shoes, my toiletry bags, and under here I've got my jackets and my blazers. I pop in here also my watch and also my sunglasses and also that garment bag, and that closes up. And there we go, we're ready to go. All we have to do now is zip up and we're ready to fly.